Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoom to Google Calendar, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Zoom website. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the upper right corner and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Integration section. Look for the option labeled Google Calendar. Click on the Connect button next to Google Calendar. Sign in to your Google account when prompted. Allow the necessary permissions for Zoom to access your Google Calendar. After authorization, you will be redirected back to Zoom. Now, go to Google Calendar in your browser. Click on the plus icon to create a new event. In the Event Creation window, select the date and time for your meeting. Add a title and any details you want for the meeting. Look for the Add Conferencing option and select Zoom. Cut and paste the Zoom meeting link into the event description if it doesn't auto-populate. Set a notification reminder according to your preference. Save the event to add it to your Google Calendar. You can also edit events to add Zoom links in the future. Double-check your Google Calendar to ensure the meeting appears correctly. You have now successfully connected Zoom to Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.